right here is a Cat D6R XL Series 2, and this is probably one of my favorite dozers that Cat has ever made, just because of the overall look of it and the design. I'm personally more of an LGP guy, but this works fine. In 1996, the D6R replaced the D6H. So this was first released in 1996. Operating weight of the machine is 41,900 pounds. So it's just about 21 tons. Now, to start off here, you see your blade. This type of blade right here is called a straight blade, mainly because you see it's straight. It's just a general purpose blade for really pushing anything: dirt, rock, stone, crushed concrete, pretty much anything. You can see angles here. That's just pretty much, to give it more of a holding material in the blade, so when you push, it doesn't come out the sides. But you can also buy such like wood chip coal blades, carry dozer blades. I don't think they do make carry dozers for this size, but you can have other blades. This is just a straight blade. Here are what you call your arms for the blade. This basically, as you can see, it holds the blade on. This is your stabilizer bar right here. Holds two arms together. And right here you see, I learned this a couple of months ago. You can see the other side, when I get to it, has a cylinder. And this side is just a bar. I'll show you the cylinder on the other side. But what the bar does on the other side is, when this pushes forward, which you can see it's on a ball joint right here, the bar holds it in one spot and it tilts the blade up. So what this really does, it doesn't tilt it forward, it will give it if the blade's straight like this, it'll tilt it. I learned that a couple of months ago, and I was actually really surprised to learn that. It's simple if you think about it. I just really never thought of it. These are the lines that power it. Now right here are just basically the guards for the cylinders. And we'll check out the cab now. There's the cab. Air filter, exhaust, and then these are your lift cylinders. These are the cylinders that raise and lower your blade. The blade is what this machine is built for. That raises and lowers the the blade. And then right there, that piece right there is pretty much just the stabilizer bar for the machine. And then right here you can see your tracks. The biggest thing that you see about these Cat machines, and a lot of people talk about, is the raised sprocket design. If you're wondering what that's for, if you really talk to anyone with a lot of engineering and mechanical experience, they'll tell you right away. But Cat designed it so there's no buildup of dirt. Like you can see here on this roller right here, there's dirt. But if you look around in here, there really isn't any dirt. It's basically just to keep the drive out of the dirt. Because what this part here does is it just drives the tracks. You see, you're wondering what XL means. XL is this right here. It's the raised roller. I don't know what XL stands for, but I know it's just for the raised roller. And then right here is the big cylinder for your track tensioner. If you ever see tight tracks on dozer, you'll always see this is pushed out a lot. Now the engine on it is a Cat 3306. It's a 189 horsepower engine with 6 cylinders. And now up over here is your fuel tank and basically your tanks for all your fluid. Fuel tank on this is 101.2 gallons. And then you see over here, you don't see a ripper. Ripper is optional from Cat. If you don't buy the ripper, they will put this on here. This is your hitch right here and your counterweights. The counterweights just basically make up for the weight of the ripper, because the drive for the machine is right there, and you always want weight on the drive, because the more weight on a dozer's drive, the more it can push. The more weight, the better, basically. Then basically your antifreeze and your fuel tanks are around the cab up there. And here's how the blade connects. There is a lot of stress when this dozer is pushing. All the energy is pushed to right there. Anyway, I've been trying to get this walk around for a while, but it's been cold. It's pretty warm out today, but there you have a D6R XL.